Oh! Oh! Oh, this is... Oh my... Oh, wow. I didn't even know I needed this, but this is perfect.
I know exactly who I am.
Hello, Heavy Metal Men and Masters. I'm Heavy Metal Momma, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing a package from Simply Gothic. I am super duper excited. I can't wait to unbox this. But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And welcome. So, Simply Gothic. So I have known Kirstie, who is the owner, the CEO, that boss babe from Simply Gothic for quite a few years now. We've done quite a few London Edges. I'd say I've known her about 4 or 5 years now. She is just the sweetest person. My daughter is obsessed with her style. I mean, I must admit her Instagram for both her own personal, which is SimplySpooky, and for her jewellery line, which is Simply Gothic, is doing phenomenally well as well. She also has a YouTube channel which is doing phenomenally well. She's just absolutely killing it out there with the social media at the moment. And she messaged me and asked me if I would like to unbox some goodies from her. So I of course said yes. I mean, who wouldn't say yes? It's Simply Gothic stuff. So I asked her if she could give me a little overview of her company so that you can get the words right out of her mouth, and then we will discuss a little more and we'll open the package. About Simply Gothic. So Kirstie is the owner of Simply Gothic, and she says, I design Gothic jewellery, stationery, accessories and more for those wanting to confidently express their individual alternative style on a budget. I started Simply Gothic in 2017 making velvet chokers, but was always searching for a way to put my own drawn designs onto jewellery. When I later discovered acrylic, it was a real no-brainer. Being both durable and customisable, it was the perfect fit, as my designs can be directly printed onto the acrylic, giving them a unique look. Here at Simply Gothic, I believe it's important to be able to confidently express your unique individual style, even on a budget. One simple black top and skirt can easily be transformed into several different outfits while only changing the jewellery and accessories. So true. You don't need fancy goth clothes. Accessories. The perfect solution if you love experimenting with your style but are on a tight budget. As someone in the Gothic subculture, I continuously struggle to find unique jewellery and accessories that fit my style, were good quality and were also affordable. And that's exactly why Simply Gothic was created, to help those struggling with the same problem. Being a stationery addict, I was always on the lookout for a Gothic annual planner that I could use to help manage my time and stay on track, but also express my own style. I knew that this was a problem that other goths were struggling with too, definitely. So I created the Goth Planner, perfect for busy Gothic and alternative students and workers who are struggling to stay organised and be productive. I love the fact that she's gone into stationery. In the future, I will be extending my stationery collection, yay, to help with motivation and time management for alternative workers and students with chaotic lives. I will also be branching out into Gothic self-care items like planners and self-care boxes to help relax after a stressful day at work, and will of course have more jewellery launches coming too. Oh, I'm so excited. So I love stationery. I try not to buy stationery because I go mental on it. So yeah, I can't stop myself. I must admit, at Christmas I bought Taryn some stationery because where she's at school, she needs a pencil case, she needs pens and pencils and stuff, and so I did go a little bit mad on the Killstar stationery collection. We will do a video on that soon. I just kind of keep forgetting, so, but don't worry, it's summer holidays, we will film that. Maybe in the next few days actually, that'd be quite a good one for us to film. She's had some beautiful stuff, but so I'm really excited to see what is here. It's been so exciting watching Simply Gothic grow as a business, especially, you know, with Kirstie being so flipping young as well. I mean, I've got nearly 20 years on her, and she's doing a fantastic job at growing her business. It's been really lovely to watch her flourish. Let's get into this box. I already cut the sellotape so that I didn't have to faff about doing it now, so I haven't opened it though. Let's see what is in here. Let's give you the first peek and hope to God I don't drop it all on the floor. Okay, we've just got black. We've got black, and we've got a so on the front is a violet moth. It says "You've Goth Mail" on the front. That's definitely a violet moth sticker, or jelly rhino. And then we've got look, creepy things inside on the black paper. This is awesome. I love the presentation. Oh, I don't want to rip the sticker. It's really cute. Okay, so oh my god, there's so many beautiful things in here. Okay, so first of all, we have teeny tiny bat. They're red little bats. I love it. I love it. Well, they're going all over my table. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then we've got, oh my god, this is adorable. I think she does these as notelets. Look at it. Look how cute it is. It says, "Hi Lolly, thanks so much for collabing with me." So there is a followers code for you guys. So use the code HEAVYMetal15 to get 15% off at Simply Gothic. Now I think that is on her website as opposed to the Etsy store. She does have an Etsy store, but Etsy take a massive chunk of people's profit. So you will be giving more money to the actual creator if you buy her stuff through her own website, www.simplygothic.co.uk. Nice and easy. So yes, that is a 15% off voucher with Heavy Metal 15. You're of course going to be running straight to this website as soon as you've stopped watching this video. She sent me stationery. She sent me stationery. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so we've got, ooh, here. So this is her business card. It's got a freebie code on the back. I love it. That's such a great idea. So when you make your next purchase, you get something for free. That's awesome. I really like that. That's a lovely little touch. Oh, I love all the little bats. Little bats. They're so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. She sent me a shopping list. I am obsessed with tick lists. I have a pad that Heavy Metal hubby bought me that's a little bit bigger than this, and it's got tick list boxes all down it. I'm a list maker. I can't deal with the mental load, but I find if I make myself a list of all the things that I need to do, then it's not in my brain anymore and I can actually get on with the tasks, whereas when I have all the tasks in my brain I can't actually concentrate on any of them. So I love tick lists like this because also then you get to tick it off when you've done it, and which is very satisfying. It gives me all the serotonin, and now I can do it on a spooky list. It's got little spider webs around the edge as well. Oh my god, I flipping love it. Thank you, Kirstie. Thank you so much. That is totally me. What? Oh wow. So this is a Simply Gothic postcard. I'm putting this in a frame. I think I put it in a frame and I think we put it there. Yeah, excellent, excellent. Yeah, that's going up on the wall. So we've got the cutest little ghostie on it. I love the black and white Beetlejuice stripe. That's so Simply Gothic. She's so in that black and white, you know. Oh, it's brilliant. Please tag us in your social media photos as I love to see them. Instagram is @simply_gothic. Oh, and there's a 10% code here, but you've got the better one, which is the 15% off code. So, oh, and you can leave a review of your order if you. I love all these QR codes. This thing's flipping brilliant. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, this is so exciting. Ooh. Oh. Oh, this is. Oh my. Oh wow. I didn't even know I needed this, but this is perfect. I'm busy doing spooky stuff. It says then, so you put the date up here. And then here we've got your top 3 priorities. Then you've got today's events. You've got a tick list of today's tasks. And then reminders and notes. I didn't even know I needed this. This is perfect. Like, especially I love the top 3 priorities as well, because I get like that. I'm like, these jobs are really important. And then I'm having to like highlight them on my list. Oh, I love it. Oh my God, Kirstie. It's like you buried into my brain and invented the thing that I didn't know I needed. I flipping love it. It's got these awesome death moths on there as well. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And we've got spider webs in the corners of each of the titles. I flipping love it. Thank you. See, this is why I can't buy stationery, because I get obsessed and buy all the stationery. Oh, and then we a meal planner. Oh, again, how did you know? This is fantastic. I'm trying to be back on at least Slimming World, if not doing like, I was trying to do carb free and I lost loads of weight doing carb free. It's not sustainable though. I love carbs. And I did lose loads of weight, but I was so hungry. I was kind of miserable. And, yeah, I do it every so often. You just basically eat chicken and salad and eggs for breakfast, but it's a miserable existence because I love food. So, but this is perfect. This means I can keep track of what I've eaten to make sure that I'm not actually eating more than I should have done, because I tend to be a terror for, oh, I'll just eat one slice of bread and then I forget about it, and then later I'm like, oh, you've been really good today, you can have a slice of bread, and then a bit later I'm like, oh, you've been really good today, you can have half cupcake because you were really good today, and then I go, actually you ate 4 slices of bread and a packet of crisps and a cupcake, you're massively over now. So this is super duper handy, because the ones they give you at Slimming World are like this big, and it's got vampire teeth on it as well, which is just amazing. Oh, I love it, I love it. Oh my god, Kirstie, you are a genius. I'm kind of frightened to go on the website and look at the stationery though, because I'll just buy all of it. So but thank you. You've literally, I need all of those things in my life and I didn't even realise it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And then, you know how I always say, attention to detail. Smaller businesses really go to town with their packaging. We've got Beetlejuice stripe, little, like, they're like a candy bag, you know, like you buy pick and mix sweets in. And then it's got this gorgeous bat print washi tape. And we're in, what is in here? What is in here? Okay, there's lots of little bags, so I'm just going to pull them out one at a time. What have we got? Oh my god. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh, that's so cool. It's like a side profile of a bat, but this thing is chunky. So it's a side profile of a bat. Again, I will film it closer up. It is seriously weighty. I love it. Oh, it's gorgeous, and it's got so much detail in the wing. Look at that. It's so cool. I'm going to put it on. Oh, wow. It's gorgeous. Oh, I flipping love it. It's got so much weight to it. It's not like going to hurt. I mean, this has got weight to it. This clangs on your collarbone, so it's not like that, because this is chunky. But for a more pendant style necklace, this has got weight to it, but not sharp edges, which is good, because a lot of the time, like, sometimes these can like gouge into you, but not at all. It's just lovely and thick. I mean, it's probably about 4 mil thick. It's, you know, it's chunky, which I love. It shows it's really good quality and it looks amazing. I mean, who doesn't love a bat? Yeah, bats are awesome. Love bats, love bats. This is gorgeous. I'm so excited. Right, next one. So this one is in a tiny red bag. Because they're red. Oh my god. These are really dainty. These beautiful little red coffins. There's a little red jewel here on the actual ear hook. They're a real blood red as well. It's a real dark. It's beautiful. It really, it's almost like enamel, and then it's got a beautiful Celtic, I think it's a Celtic cross in the middle. They are stunning, really dainty as well, which I love. They're the kind of thing that I could definitely wear to the office. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. They're adorable. Oh, they look amazing. I absolutely love them, and they look fantastic. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, thank you so much, Kirstie. They are, you have nailed my style so far. And then, oh, the last one, but we've got more tiny bats. Oh, she knows me far, far too well. This is perfect for the outfit that I'm wearing today as well. We have a chunky but dinky skull on a chain. So we basically have a pendant skull, and I flipping love it. Oh yes, that is absolutely gorgeous, and I love a skull. Again though, it's weighty. I'm going to wear that with so many things. It matches my skull ring. It matches the belt I'm wearing today. Love it. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I mean, wow, everything's fabulous. I love the jewellery. The skull is gorgeous. The earrings are absolutely stunning as well. And oh my word, the bat. Oh, he's so cute, and he's just beautiful. They're not cheap attachments. They're not cheap chains. Everything has got real weight to it. It's really nice quality and really good prices as well for said quality. They've been really, really well made. I'm so impressed. And then, oh my god, the stationery. I mean, look at the planner. It's been fantastic. And then the spooky stuff list, stuff I'm doing today list, and then the shopping list. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, thank you, Kirstie. Go check out Simply Gothic. Her website is simplygothic.co.uk. She is on Etsy as Simply Gothic Co. Go support her actual website. And remember to use the code HEAVYMetal15 as well. Her Instagram is, the usual thing, is at Simply Gothic. Her Facebook is Simply Gothic. Go visit her on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Oh, if you've got to go to her Etsy, go to her Etsy, but go to her website. She has phenomenal stationery. I am so excited to use this. I mean, the paper quality is lovely and thick as well. And it's not that weird, thin like paper stuff. This is thick quality. Really, I'm going to really enjoy using these. And all the jewellery is absolutely stunning. So whatever you are looking for with your Gothic needs, I'm also really excited about those like self-pampering boxes. That sounds like a fantastic idea. Definitely up for getting myself one of those. So if you enjoyed that, please let me know what you thought. Do you love stationery as much as I love stationery? And clearly Kirstie loves stationery as well. Do you love the jewellery? What is your favourite piece? Let me know down in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that have come up in the video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. And remember to check you're still subscribed, because YouTube keeps unsubscribing people without their knowledge. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.